Where am I?
You're in your dreams, boy. I need you to do something for me.
Who are you? What do you need me to do?
I'm Mother Nature, and I need you to save my dying land.
Sure. But how?
First, you must go to the town of Sard, which is in the grassland. Then you must go to the town of Tress, which is in the desert. After that, you must go to the town of Rock, which is in the forest. And finally, you must go to the town of Naig, which is in the water.
I'll head to the town of Sard first. What's wrong with the air in this town?
You seem to be from out of town. Here, take this. It'll help you breathe better.
What's wrong with this town, man?
I don't know, but our air seems pretty bad as of late, but I really don't know what's causing it or how to help you.
Well, thank you for this information, my kind friend.
You're welcome. I wish you luck.
Thank you. Hey, are you okay? Here, put this on. Are you okay? Do you know where the leader of this town is? The one that's doing this?
Over there.
Hey, you! Are you the leader of this town?
Yeah, I'm the leader of this town. What's your business with me?
Do you know what you're doing to this town?
Yeah, I know what I'm doing to this town. I'm making great products and a lot of money along with it. Why do you care?
Did you know that these factories are harming the environment, polluting it?
So what?
You're ruining the Earth's future.
Oh yeah? Come and get me! What's so bad about ruining the environment?
The people, the plants, the animals, they're all negatively affected by the polluted air. Wake up, smell it. Look at all the people, they all have to wear masks just to breathe.
You don't understand, prophets. Yeah, you're right. I should be better to the environment.
All right.
Thank you.
I figured out what's going on here. Time to go beat some sense to the leader of this town. Hey you! Hey you!
What's up, man?
Stop it! Where's your leader?
Across the bridge.
Are you the leader of this town?
Yeah, what about it?
I'm here to beat some sense into you. All your tree farming is causing deforestation.
Oh yeah, how else can I make money other than chopping down the trees?
With all this wood you're using, you probably have some left over that could be used for separate products.
You bring up a good point, but that doesn't solve the issue where I have to cut down the trees in the first place.
I saw tons of bees and beehives. You could use that instead and make a bee farm, and you can sell honey for money.
I can't refute what you said. Thank you for helping us.
It's all right. Just protect the environment from now on. This town looks fine from the look of things. I wonder what's wrong. Hey, you peasant. Have you seen anything wrong or harming this town?
Everything around here is fine. Except for those new buildings that got put in recently.
These are not just normal buildings. These are warehouses used for storing fracking equipment. fracking. Fracking is really bad. Who's over there?
I've been thinking about putting in some new fracking equipment over that way.
Hey, are you the one in charge here?
One sec. Yeah, I'm in charge here. What's up?
Your fracking is causing major harm to this town, to the animals, and to the people around it.
You just killed one of my men.
Actually, I killed 2.
You just killed 2 of my men.
Hey, have you seen what you did to the outskirts of this town?
Without the money I'm bringing in through all this fracking, my citizens wouldn't be happy.
There's better ways to get energy other than fracking. You can just use solar energy. You live in a desert.
But my citizens are happy.
You can keep your citizens happy while also saving the environment. You don't have to harm it.
You're right. Solar's the better option. We'll switch to it immediately.
Maybe the people started firing. It's an ocean town.
Yo, man, nice shirt.
Thanks. No matter how much I wash my hands, they're always dirty. Hey, what do you think you're doing to the ocean?
Who the hell are you? The ocean is so vast, and we're only throwing trash into a little part of it. What's the big deal?
It's not about how big the ocean is. It's about the trash that's bunched up here that's causing it damage.
It's just a little trash, and we don't want that trash in our town. What's the big idea?
The deal is, you're trashing this beautiful ocean and all the wildlife in it.
Then tell me how to fix that problem with the trash without it building up in my town.
You can start by recycling some of that trash and reusing it for something else. That way, there will be less trash in general in your town. Reuse bottles and jars for containers, or reuse plastic bags when you shop. You can save the ocean and this town if you just reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Maybe you're right. If we all recycle, we can slowly fix the ocean and our town.
Thanks. Looks like my work here is done. Whoa! I'm in my dreams again!
Yes, you are, my boy. Thank you for saving my land. Now, all the animals and the plants are safe again.